In the previous video, we talked about heat and how it corresponds to a constant volume or a constant pressure process. So we can define heat as the energy that is transformed as a result of a temperature difference. And heat, or Q, is going to depend on a few key things. The first is going to be how much the temperature is to be changed. So the temperature difference, or the delta T, is going to be a big factor when we look at heat. Another is the quantity of a substance. And the third is the nature of the substance. And sometimes chemists refer to this as the specific heat. So we can also define a unit based upon heat, and we can say that the quantity of heat needed to change the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree Celsius is defined as the calorie. And if we wanted to base this upon SI units, 1 calorie is equal to 4.184 joules. And this is our SI unit for energy. And based on the criteria that we showed above, we can write our heat equation as Q, which is the heat, is going to be equal to the mass times the specific heat times the change in temperature. So if we were looking at the heat lost or the heat gained, we can use this equation right here. And from the first law of thermodynamics, which states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, it can only change form, we can use that first law to say that heat energy lost is going to be equal to the heat energy gained. And this is going to stem right from our first law of thermodynamics. And in the next video, we will look at how using this equation can be used in an example to calculate the heat gained or the heat lost or any of the components listed here in this equation.